a mum and editor of Kidspot.com.au, I often fantasise about making things that will make me appear to be a better mother than I probably really am. I've had some fantasies that I could perhaps make my own dishwashing powder. I found a recipe online. 1 cup of baking soda, 1/3 of a cup of citric acid, and 1/3 of a cup of salt. And then we add our essential oil. So we'll just stir this up. Use this as your detergent in the dishwasher. So now I have to make some homemade citrus vinegar cleaner to go with the homemade detergent. So I've got to place the leftover rinds into a glass jar and then put some vinegar over the top and let it sit for 2 weeks. Hi, as a mum and editor of Kidspot.com.au, I was going to show you how to make homemade dishwashing detergent. It's too hard, takes 2 weeks. I'm just going to use one of these, put it in, walk away, get the dishes done. Easy.